If your face is darker than your whole body, today is your lucky day because I'm going to be showing you how to fix it. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, Judith is the name. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for sticking around. If you're yet to subscribe to my channel, please tap the subscribe button down below to get subscribed to my channel for more skincare tips. And do not forget to like this video if you end up enjoying it. So today's video is a requested video. Some persons have been in the comments complaining that their face is darker than their body. So if you're one of those whose face or neck is darker than the rest of their body, then you want to keep on watching because I'm going to be answering some of your questions on why is my face darker than my body, and I'll be showing you how to fix that and make your face match your body. So let's jump right into it. So if your face is darker than your body, one thing you need to know is that you're certainly not alone. Like, you're not the only one struggling with this. It's a common skin concern. The only thing you need to do is to figure out what exactly is causing it. So now let's take a look at the various causes or reasons why your face is darker than your body. So the first major reason why your face could be darker than the rest of your body could be as a result of sun exposure. Like when you expose your skin to the sun without sun protection, the sun rays can actually trigger production of melanin on your skin, thereby leading to your face getting darker than your body. So this is one of the major reasons why your face can actually be darker than your body. So the second reason why your face can actually be darker than your body is as a result of hormonal imbalance. So most times we tend to experience this for pregnant women. Pregnancy hormones could be something else, so it can actually cause your face to be darker than your body. So the third reason your face can actually be darker than your body is as a result of using lightening products. Majority of people that have their face darker than the rest of their body could be as a result of using skin lightening products or bleaching creams on their face. Like, what most people don't know is that most of the skin lightening products or bleaching creams tend to make your skin to be sensitive to the sun. So when you're using a skin lightening product on your face and you're not even using a sunscreen, like 5 to 10 minutes after you step out under the sun and get back home, you will just notice that your face is darker than your body. So these are the three major reasons why you have a dark face with a light body. So now let's take a look at how to make your face match your body. So if you're looking to prevent or make your face match your body, the first thing you need to do is to always use a sunscreen. Like, I can never overemphasize the benefits of using a sunscreen. Like, you need to apply your sunscreen on a daily basis before stepping out of your house. This way you're going to be preventing your face from getting dark. So you want to use a sunscreen that have SPF 30 and above. And when buying a sunscreen, you want to look out for a sunscreen that have both UVA and UVB protection. This way you're going to be protecting your skin enough from any form of sun damages like aging and burn. So if you're confused on which sunscreen to go for, I actually have a video on some best sunscreen you can use for your skin that will not leave you with a white cast. So I'm going to link the video up here and also in the description box so that you can get to check that out. So the second step you want to take if you want to prevent your face from being darker than the rest of your body is to avoid skin lightening products. And if you must use them, make sure it's based on recommendation, because some dermatologists can actually prescribe them for treatment purposes. So you want to be sure they are on recommendation and you need to use them alongside sun protection. So the third tip to prevent or match your face to your body is to make sure you are using skincare products that is suitable for your skin type, especially if your face being darker than your body is as a result of hormonal imbalance. You want to ensure that you're using the right skincare products for your skin type. So now with that said, I'll be going ahead to show you guys how to make your face the same color as your skin. So if you want your face and your body to be the same color, you need to look out for the following ingredients when buying your skincare products. And the skincare ingredients includes your kojic acid, glycolic acid, salicylic acid, niacinamide, vitamin C, and any other alpha hydroxy acid. Like all the skincare ingredients, they are going to help make your face blend with your body. So buying a soap, body lotion, cleanser, serum with any of the skincare ingredients is going to help make your face the same color as your body. So I've actually gone ahead to put together a simple face care routine that you can actually follow if you want to make your face to be the same color as your body. So the first step in the skincare routine is to exfoliate your skin. So when it comes to exfoliating your face, you need to avoid using a physical scrub on your face. You want to opt in for chemical exfoliants. Like I have a video on how to properly exfoliate your skin. So if you've not seen that video, you need to check that out. I'll link the video up here. So when it comes to exfoliating your face, you want to reach out for chemical exfoliants. They tend to be more gentle on the face. Using a physical scrub on your face is going to cause you micro tears, leading to acne and hyperpigmentation, thereby making your face to be darker than your body. So you want to avoid using a physical scrub on your face. So some of the best chemical exfoliants I would recommend you use for your face if your face is darker than your body is the ordinary glycolic acid toner, and I also love the Neutrogena 2-in-1 rapid clear toner. These two products will help to gently exfoliate your skin without much hassle. Like all you need to do is to put some amount of this product on a cotton pad and use it to wipe your face after washing or cleansing your face. If you're using any of those products to exfoliate your skin, you want to use them 2 to 3 times a week. Avoid using them on a daily basis. You can use it on a Monday, skip Tuesday, use it on Wednesday, skip Thursday, use it on a Friday, and that is it. Like this is going to gently exfoliate your skin. So the second step in this face care routine is to cleanse your face. So when it comes to cleansing your face, you want to reach out for gentle cleansers that will help to cleanse your face without stripping your skin of its natural oils. And I recommend using the simple gel facial cleanser. Like this is going to help get rid of any form of dead makeup and oils on your face without stripping your face of its natural oils. So you can actually use this face cleanser every day to wash your face. So if you cannot afford to get this particular facial cleanser, you can easily reach out for the kojic acid soap, preferably the Kojic soap. Like it's going to help match your face to your body. But when using this Kojic soap to wash your face, you want to make sure you're not using any of the toners I mentioned, because this on its own is going to help lighten your face. So if you're using this particular Kojic soap, you want to apply it to your face a minute or two before going to shower. Like it's going to help improve and lighten your skin. After you must have cleansed and toned your face, the next step you need to take if you want your face to be the same color as your body is to use a face serum. What face serum does is they serve as a treatment in your skincare routine. So you want to reach out for your vitamin C serum, niacinamide serum. Like they are going to help brighten up your face, even out your face, and make your face the same color as your body. So the ones I love and I'll recommend in this video is the Good Molecules niacinamide serum. Like this is a very nice serum if you want to brighten up your face and make your face the same color as your skin. And I also love the ordinary vitamin C serum. And I also have a video on some of the best face serum that you can use on your face if you want to brighten up your face and make it the same color as your body. So I'll link the video up here and also in the description box so that you can check that out. So after you must have applied your face serum, the next step is to moisturize your face. So when it comes to moisturizing your face, you need to reach out for a good face cream that will help to moisturize your face and brighten up your face. So some of the face creams that I love is the Neutrogena Hydro Boost face cream. Like, this particular face cream is suitable for all skin types and complexion. It's going to help moisturize your face and lock in moisture into your skin. So you need all the moisture and hydration that you can get. So I also have a video on some of the best face cream for both dark skin, fair skin, so you can check them out according to your complexion. The link will be in the description box. So the final step in this simple face care routine, if you want your face to be the same color as your body, is to use a sunscreen. So if you observe all those other steps and you're not choosing a sunscreen, believe me, you're just deceiving yourself. You need to apply a sunscreen if you want your face to be the same color as your body. And in a situation where your face and your neck is darker than the rest of your body, you want to apply this to your face and also on your neck to make your whole body the same color. So yeah, that is it on why your face is darker than your body and how to fix it. I hope this video was helpful. If you enjoyed watching this video, please do not forget to like, subscribe to my channel for more skincare tips, and see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.